Hey guys, yeah, it's your trade of the day, and thank you for watching Sweetgreen. I mean, look, we waited all day for this, could barely leave our desk. We had no idea when it was going to open, but when it did, it was hot fire. The price was going between, first started at $28. We saw it go to like 46 or 48 almost instantly. Then, I mean, it took them a while to get this updated. Then it went, I think, as high, maybe 55, something like that. And then it went back down to 54, settled around 51.75, and then bang, we finally get the open, and there it is right there. We took the opening print long. And for me, I mean, we've seen it too much. I've already, kicked myself over missing. I mean, we still had the trade, but not getting long, obviously, and holding in your own account. The last IPO, Rivian, was super hot fire. And then we also saw SEV come out with big results. So here we go. And this is what we did. Boom, right to the upside. I just want to tell everybody, 50% of this was out in this range, between 53.25, 53.50 up to about 54. So as I zoom in here, it's really just $2. So there's a long here off the open at 52, and then we just let it ride up, right? We let it settle down. It actually opened at 52 and took a couple minutes to get going. So unsure of what it was. That's why we have these couple outs here at 52.50, just throwing out a couple shares, right? This is the one thing when you're trading on a platform like ours, where you get super fast, lightning fast executions. You could see all of the time and sales going through over here. When that happens, we have the ability just to offer. So what I do is, for example, if this is 1,000 shares, I'll set my default to like 100. That way, when I push offer, enter, no matter what the price, it's only throwing out 100 shares. So that way you can get out all these little pieces when you get out on the way out or back in. I didn't short it, but I did pay for shorts. I think it was about settled out around 13 to 20 cents per share if you did want this short on the Day Trade the World Network. Okay, look, here it is. So there it is. Nice volume. As you can see, volume died down. I've marked down here $50. Why? Because guess what? That's my stop. So right now we are long again. And let me just execute one more trade in here before we go. It did come back down. So look at this. Boom, 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 boom. Big sell volume in. People taking profits. Of course they are, right? We didn't get out at the very top 55. I now have an offer sitting here around $55, $56. We'll see if we pull it, if it comes to that. But I'm looking to get out the last piece. As it falls back down, let's just say you missed the IPO, okay? As it falls back down, I take it again, the same price. A 52 break, we take it again. And then when that happens, there it is there. We get out at 53. So we're just taking the dollar, right? The maximum move here, forget about this being blown out. I think the maximum move was about a 54, 50, something like that. I think was a good out if you're able to take that. Of course, you get blown out to the upside. But there it is. We take it again. We take the dollar. So now we've taken multiple dollars out of this stock. I'm holding about 10%. It's about 5 to 10% of this last position here. And of course, we retook it right there. So we'll wait to see if it breaks 50. Otherwise, you're going back to the upside. This is Sweetgreen. Pretty sweet trade. Obviously, could have been more maximized at the top, but we'll make that every single time. We're topping up the net on today. Sweetgreen. Let's see what happens the rest of the day here. Could be a runner tomorrow as well.